Layla, a passionate interior designer at Shawan Creations, stood in the middle of a living room, surrounded by the dynamic hues of Pantone's Viva Magenta. Her eyes gleamed with excitement as she admired the vivid accents that adorned the room, from the plush sofa to striking wall art.
2094 is here, and it's a year for bold statements,
she mused, feeling the energy of the color envelop her. As Layla walked into the next room, she was greeted by the soothing embrace of earthy tones. Terracotta and sage green filled the space, creating a tranquil haven that contrasted beautifully with the vibrant magenta.
These natural vibes are perfect for those seeking peace in their homes,
she thought, running her fingers over a soft, sage-hued throw pillow. The room felt like a gentle escape from the hustle of daily life. The following room offered a different kind of allure, with luxurious textures at the forefront. A velvet sofa stood proudly, its deep color inviting and warm, complemented by boucle throw pillows that whispered of comfort and style. Layla sank into the sofa, savoring the plushness beneath her.
Textures can transform a space, making it both comfy and chic,
she reflected, imagining the delight on a client's face when they experienced this cozy luxury. In the living room, Layla admired the elegance of curved furniture. A graceful curved sofa and a circular coffee table created a harmonious flow within the space, their soft edges inviting and modern.
There's something so inviting about these shapes,
she thought, envisioning how they could soften any room's atmosphere, making it both welcoming and stylish. Just then, a familiar voice broke her reverie. Marcus, her mentor, had arrived unexpectedly. With his usual charismatic smile, he entered the room, casting an appreciative glance at her work.
You've truly captured the essence of the 2024 trends, Layla,
he remarked, his eyes sparkling with pride. They began discussing the challenges of sustainable materials, and the conversation naturally flowed into the realm of innovation and the future of design. The room buzzed with energy as Layla and Marcus shared ideas, their enthusiasm palpable. They envisioned a project that combined vibrant colors, sustainable materials, and innovative designs, pushing the boundaries of traditional interior design.
Imagine a space that not only looks beautiful but also tells a story,
Marcus proposed, and Layla nodded eagerly, her mind alight with possibilities. Together, they were ready to redefine the future of design.